what's up everybody? It's George here and we're back with another video. Now today's video is build video number 6 in the Goblin 500 build series. Today we're going to be doing chapter 9 in the book, and chapter 9 involves assembling the swash plate, mounting the swash plate, and finally mounting the head. Let's go ahead and take a look at my setup real quick. First I have my manual open to the right page, all ready to go, along with the pen in case I need to take any notes. I have a 1.5mm driver. It doesn't call for it in this section, but I have it handy just in case. I also have my Kindle in case I need to look anything up on the internet. I have my blue Loctite and some toothpicks. I have my microfiber rag. I have the tools that we're going to be using for this chapter, and that is a 2.0 and a 2.5mm hex driver. I have my frames assembly ready to accept the swash plate and the head. And finally, I have my parts layout and everything is all ready to go. Now, it doesn't look like there's going to be a lot to this section, but it's going to get us one step closer to a finished helicopter. So, with that said, why don't we go ahead and put the camera on the tripod and get on with chapter 9. Okay, we've got everything set up. We're all ready to go, so let's get right on with chapter 9. Well, there it is. Everything's all together. Everything seems to be moving nice and smoothly, nice and freely. I did have to swap these servo arms around when I put it on. I didn't get them, but that was no big deal. Just I took them off and popped them back on the other way. And looking good. So let's go ahead and get on to the next chapter. And actually the next chapter is chapter 10. And in chapter 10 they talk about the gear and the ratios and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and use the stock one that comes with it, so I'm not going to worry about that, and I'm going to skip directly to chapter 11, which is installing the ESC. So let's go ahead and get set up for that and move right along.